Good morning, good morning. Good morning to you. Oh shit. There we go. Okay, beautiful. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Let me bring this up over here. What's up, Maxi boy? How you doing? How's everyone doing? Good morning, good morning. Okay, so yeah, looking like yesterday we made some big pushes, some nice retracement, some actually continuation as well later on. GJ came all the way back up really, which is pretty mad. So very nice. Let me just get rid of this. Let's take a look at news first of all. Yeah, in terms of news today, we're actually not looking too bad. It's nothing too much to worry about. Only some US later on this morning is pretty fine. Got the GJ yesterday until 167. Thanks back to mention, really always worth it. Beautiful Desi. Yeah, it was good, man. It was good little trade we took yesterday. Double bottom on 30-minute on gold, the bottom of Asian range holding support if something you wanted to look at, right? Or just JPY price. We can still look at it on gold. Yeah, you can analyze it. It's held a support. Not bad at all. Okay, so let me start on gold. Gold looks pretty good actually today. So the daily time frame closed bearish. Okay, so the daily time closed bearish. It goes bearish. It goes pretty much on daily support, though. You can see there. The daily support is right there, so it's a very strong support. So taking that into account, you know, we could still bounce off that. Let's take a look at the weekly. How's the weekly looking? Yeah, we're still bearish at the moment. So still overall bias is bearish, but we are at a big level of support. And the 4-hour, look at the 4-hour retracing. So big 4-hour retracements. Which is good. The 4-hour time frame right now is bullish, obviously. Coming up to 1996 resistance. The zone above doesn't look too bad in terms of pushing to 2007, which is not bad if you get a closure above that resistance, it looks like. Take a look to the left hand side here now. You can start to see in the 30-minute time frame where resistance is. You can see this one right here. 1996.6. Yeah, that kind of area. If we were to take buys above there, how would that work? How would that come to fruition? Well, if we buy above, we push pretty quickly. There's a little level at 1998, but for the most part, we push realistically to the next support and resistance, which is around this area here. That's the first little level. So if you're looking in that area for the zone, and I'll clean the zone as well, you can just go through it, right? Clean zone there, clean zone there, clean zone up, clean zone down, clean push down, clean push down, clean push up, clean push down. So that zone as a whole is a very, very clean zone. So then I can mark up my level over here for buys above. Yep, so buys above 1996.3, 0.5 area. I'll do this 0.5. Good stuff. It's very, very simple. In terms of anywhere else where I'd want to take buys, yeah, we'll have to see. We'd have to see. But that's mainly the first area where I'd want to take buys. Like maybe buys above, yeah, maybe like 20, 28, maybe later on. But yeah, good stuff. In terms of sells, where would I want to take them? Well, obviously you can see here right now where's the support was, right around this area, like there. Oh shit, 1 second. This area here, 1990, is a little bit of a level. So could you take sells below there? Yeah, you could do. Obviously, first little target would be 1987, that wick fill. Obviously, we'd want to take sells definitely below 1985. That'd be great because that zone, as you saw yesterday, just filled pretty quickly. Okay. And yeah, this zone is 53 pips. You could even potentially take sells below 1990 there. So looking at this, quite good opportunities on Goldie, which is good. Looking like we're coming up right now. The hourly's got no lower wick, but yeah, looking like we're quite strong. If you jump on the 1 hour, could be a bit higher. For what? Gold? I don't think it looks too bad. I don't think it looks too bad. So yeah, that's what kind of looking at on Goldie. I think this thing, as I said, the zones are pretty nice. So now we're just gonna wait for a closure. So GJ, same thing. Daily time and close bullish, still very, very strong. It was a very, very strong candle yesterday as well. Wow, we retraced it quite a bit as well, but ended up still very, very bullish for the day. So in terms of the daily candle, you know, as long as you don't break this previous low, which is down here, we should theoretically still continue. Where would we continue to? Well, where this resistance is, which is there, 169. So either today or maybe the next couple of days, as long as you close bullish still, we will eventually end up to 169. 169. So yeah, I think that would be great. W formation on the 5 minute max. Oh, on gold. On GJ. I'll take a look at GG in a second here. So yeah, daily time frame, obviously right now it's you know right at the flip. The 4 hour looks like it's relaxed since then. It's not like it's been doing too much. Take a look to the 4 hour. Obviously the 4 hour kind of doing the same thing too. Just get that off there. So if we take a look at the hourly and the 30 minute, yeah, we're starting to make that like pendant over here. Where price like just squeeze out of the zone eventually. Somewhere in this area it'll pop. Obviously overall bullish. We do expect the buys to probably come to fruition. So on the 30 minute time frame, yeah, where would I want to take buys? I mean, obviously just buys above 167.913, depending on the left hand side, which we'll check in a second. Right now we do have a zone. Obviously we have sells, so we have a support right here, which is a little minor one at 167.400. 167.340 is also a support like there. So I think in terms of that, yeah, it may be able to continue down here to maybe 167.065. There is a little rejection wick there though, so it's like, would I really want to take them early sells? Depending on obviously how far we come up. We'll see. How would that be looking on the 4 hour? Yeah, there's quite a lot of 4 hour support there as well, so I don't know if it's the easiest level to take a trade. How big is the actual zone? So it's 26 pips, so maybe. We'll see. Goldie. Okay, so yeah, Goldie's coming up obviously, but the 5 minutes still got a while though left for like the 15s. Gold went at 5 minute trend line. Ooh. I don't know, maybe that might be maybe interesting over here. Where would you stop me? That's the only issue. That zone above so clean, god dang. God dang. So yeah, we'll see. A minute left. I mean, we could take the 5 minute trend line. It's just where would you put your stops? That's the only thing. There's obviously a little bit of a 5 minute resistance there. we'd only have to wait another 6 minutes for the 15 to close. Just squeeze that a little bit easier. So yeah, I think probably gonna wait for just this 15 to close. It's an extra 5 minutes away. But yeah, it looks good, man. The trend line looks decent. Obviously, that zone of 2001 is not bad at all, so good stuff. Hi, Maxie. Would you wait for the 1 hour flipping to get a wick or a 50 or 30 minute closure above is still good enough? Yeah, I'd probably wait for maybe a little bit of a lower wick on this next 15 if I can. But yeah, I think it's still, especially with such a strong closure in the clean zone, I wouldn't worry too much about this having a lower wick at the moment. It's like 20-30 pips away. We'll wait for that. But yeah, yesterday we took GJ sell, which was great. We took these sells here. Went straight back down to my level 167, which is great. And then we retraced all the way back later on in the day. So, yeah, 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. So if you just get this on. Three minutes left. Where would the stops be? The stops would be, yeah, they'd be that low here. Like 30 pips. Yeah. Yep. If we don't have disclosures, we may have to wait a little bit longer. To be honest with you, I'd rather wait for the 30 if we could, but we'll see. Because there is a lot of wicks there as well, so big wick rejection. So, if so, we could just wait for the 30 to close, depending on how strong this closes above. What's GJ doing? Yeah, GJ's stopped. Not really anything. We need to see the left hand side as well, see if there's any clean zones. Yeah, like the resistance there, I'd say, is the main one. And then probably come up to like that level here as well. The price came up back here, that was a support / resistance thing there. So then we look to the right hand side now. And yeah, that's not bad. It's not a bad zone. It's not bad at all. Can we enter the 15 minute? You can do whatever you like, but I think for me here, I'm going to see how strong the 15 is going to close, if it does close above. And if not, then I'll wait for the 30. First time 30 minute would close above, yeah. But yeah, I think there's some really cracking zones over here. How was everyone yesterday? Did you guys take any nice trades? The gold celery the morning I missed, which was beautiful. Well, if you caught that, that was some good shit. That was real good. So yeah, just waiting for this closure. We'll see how maybe the lower wicks form, but then if we do get a closure above, then I think we could just take the trend line. You get me? Because this 15 could make the lower wick, then it closes bullish above, and then we can fly. Fly me to the moon. Anyone watch the City game last night? I didn't. I went to the cinema and we watched Coldplay live, like from one of the sets. It was actually pretty good. Apart from there was some fucking guy next to me who had some serious tism. And he was shouting at people telling them to shut up. Oh my god. I had to move. He was like, shut up! I'm like, oh my god, you're making more noise than they are, bro. Relax. Oh shit, we're gonna get a closure over here, guys. Okay, so, yeah, 1 second. Just you wait for this low wick. And then I'm gonna get in over here. Stop loss is gonna be 1994. And then TP is going to be 2000, okay? Oh, give me a low wick, you tosser. The last second of that candle. 1997 point. Yeah, like 2 in that area. Oh, really? Ah! My fucking god! It's happened twice now. Give me a fucking second to get in, you prick. So good stuff, filling that clean zone. Oh, really, GG, Goldie? Give me a second, man. Anyone get in? Yeah, it's quite a big difference if we just got in now. Okay, this is good enough for me. I'm gonna just take the buy. Fuck it. Okay, so took the buy over here, guys. Strong closure above on the trend line. Stop loss is gonna be below here, and around 94.28. Okay, and then the stop loss is, yeah, it's just like a 32 pip stop. The zone above is hella nice to fill up to potentially 2001, which is pretty good. And then furthermore, where else could we continue to? Yeah, I think 2001 is decent. Is the decent area, to be honest with you. And then above, you could maybe have some runners for later on to continue this bullish journey up. Great success. So yeah, I got in at like 5, like there. My fave song, Sadly I'm Single. What? What's your entry? 1997.5. So yeah, we'll see how these candles close. Obviously, if you start closing pretty bearish, then we may have to manage risk. But I think in terms of that, 15 is just going to make a low wick. Potentially may go retest 1996.6. Maxi, is this breaching of our plan as we've taken impulse entry? It's not an impulse entry. It's just getting in after we retrace back up. It's a closure above on the trend line. It's also a 15-minute closure above, so it's everything that I need. So actually, it is a 50-minute closure above. So we'll see, depending on how we retrace and stuff like that with stops. Yeah, close of Asian range as well. Beautiful. Let's take a look at GJ. Not really doing anything yet. Looking like it's coming back down. That's support at the moment. Should have waited a close above. Well, I did, because the 15 closed above. Yeah, 2001. Beautiful. You're beautiful. Above that wick on the left, I'm not even bothered about that. No, I care about the closures of bodies. Yeah. I care about closures of bodies. That's all I care about. Morning, morning. So yeah, coming down here, it's a bit unfortunate if we get stuck out before even trying to come retest them highs again. But still got a lot of time in this 50 minutes. Still got 8 minutes left, so just making the low wick at this time. I love the price action on gold and GJ today. Yeah, it looks like the zones look pretty good, eh? Yeah. Looks like the zones are pretty nice. Gold will buy stuff if this makes a bottom wick. Wicks 10's in the building. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna get a solid move. Yeah, it just depends how much this low wick wants to retrace. There's still no low wick on the hourly, but I do expect this to reflip. Max, the stop loss should be below that range. No, it should respect this previous 50-minute low, because if it's that whole range, your stop loss is massive compared to the zone. That's your issue you got there. Oh yeah, it's 420 today. Shit. 420, boy.
I was trying not to smoke today. Fuck. I have to.
Every day is 420. Every day is 420. Hotbox the Zoom call. Dear YouTube, you smoke tires, not something else. Do you smoke? Yeah. Weekends every so often. Not big, like not every day or anything like that. Yeah, every so often I do. So 5 minutes left for this Goldie. We'll probably start managing risk if this 15-minute closes below. That's what I'd like to do. $30 likes, guys, amazing stuff. So yeah, hopefully now, look, we're flipping the 15, which is great. We're looking like respecting support. Just need some good volume to drive up over here now. It looks like the candles are perfect for that. Another 5-minute closure above.
Yeah, I moved the stop loss to that wick. So it shouldn't break that.
Something you could do. How much would that do then? So if you got in there, stop loss with there, yeah, it is not that much. Do 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 do. Would you go break even at that wick full? Yeah. GJ looking like it's maybe coming down a little bit as well. Yeah, I don't know if I like this so below. I think it's... Yesterday we even took the sells here and they were alright, but they were quite slow. It's overall very, very bullish, so it's... I think it's a bit too counter trend at this time. I will enter on the 30-minute close. Well, yeah, the 30 minutes closing in, 3 minutes or so. I took 30 grams of pure instant coffee. Oof. If 30-minute close is above, I'm going to leave it on. Because then it'll just be a 30-minute closure above, 2 minutes left. If it doesn't close above, then I'm going to delete it. I'm going to get out. Just cautious of no bottom wick. Yeah, you can be. But I think further above in that zone too much now. I think we're far away. It's not like it's instant. So it's Real Madrid against City again. Oh my god. So someone says I'm a bit annoyed that I went to the Asian wick. Yeah, I suppose it's a good level to tap out. But I think, especially with all these closes, we should be good to continue. 50 seconds left. Bring some volume in, boy. 7:30. 30 minutes left until we get to London Open as well. Okay, so 30-minute close above. Great stuff. Gotta wait for this 30 minutes to make a lower wick. Come on, Goldie. Go on, Goldie. So yeah, just got to survive this 30-minute low wick now. What about Goldie buys previous 5-minute high? Yeah, that's how you'd get in. If you're not in now, I'd say just get in like there. Yes, sirree. Let's go, I'm in. Good stuff, good stuff. Move stop loss to previous wick. I'm not doing that yet. So wow, I went from 110 pips to back to entry. Engine failure, still working on it. Just gonna wait a little longer over here. We'll go break even around like 1998.8. Yeah, kind of area there. Yeah, it's quite a big rejection there though, which is a bit annoying, but it's still got a lot of time in the candle. I'd go break even at the re-break of those highs. Yeah. Oh, really, Goldie. That was so nice little push you gave me there. That was a nice little push. Now you're coming down. At any point now in this 30-minute candle, all you can do is reflip and drive again. The zone above is pretty damn clean, so... Yeah, little minor one. The only thing that I like is is that every single time we came up there, we came back down to retest these levels, but it still holds pretty hard, which is nice. Stop loss below previous 15. You can do that if you want. Yeah, you can do that. That's how you can manage. For me, I want to wait for this 30 to close, I think. Because at any point we can come tap these levels here and then retrace again. So I don't really want to get stopped out there when we just tap in the zone. It's still closed above. Nothing's closed against me. How long were we up there for? Yeah, we're up at that high for less than a minute again. So it's not reasonable to manage at that level yet. Had trouble breaking previous 15-minute, yeah. So close to doing it. It's still got time. Still got time to do that. Mission Dream is still good to enter. It's a hard one now because where would you really want to enter? It would have been there you wanted to enter. I'd wait on a little longer. I don't know how you'd get in now, you know, it's maybe on the reflip again. Are you in it? Yeah, I'm in it. You could just enter now if you fancied it. Oh, come on, Goldie. You're sitting right at this level.
Yeah. I managed risk because we were rejecting the previous 4-hour high 2 times.
Yeah. Good stuff. So we've got 7 minutes left for this 15 to close. We'll see how that closes. Yeah, could go for a WAS for 2 minutes. Could gold just go already? Nice. $15 in drawdown, you buy me. My D's, boy. So yeah, 15 minutes. So we've got 4 minutes left for this 15. Yes, sirree. Anytime this can still flip and drive, so it's still good. It's only when we start closing below that I don't like it. Yeah, GJ is breaking below that level. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like the sells on GJ today. Oh, Goldie, come on, man. Really? Get some volume in. It gave me about a second to go break even at them highs. And then it was back to entry again. Look good, though. Look like we pushed that zone pretty quickly. You just got to break those highs. I just said only sells on GJ. With the day looking like that. Good luck. Looking for GJ out open, London Open hourly. Yeah. See how that 30-minute closes. Someone asked me if I'm in gold one more time. I swear to fucking God. Out there. How old are you, Convex? $24. I call get everyone in the chat. Actually, you go buys. Actually, you go buys. This drawdown to profit time ratio is wonderful. Houston, we're clear to take off. So I think now, yeah, because we'll come back to the highs, I'm going to move my stop loss to 1995.99. Oh shit, guys, I'm going to close 80% over here. Holy shit, stop loss to break even.
Oh my God.
Shit!
Oh!
Yes! That was a fucking stinking.
Bro, I just did 5%. My TP was all the way up.
What a fucking rocket. Man, beautiful. I closed 80% over here. Slipped my partial TP. Sheesh! Whole lot of game. And that is how you don't get worried about taking some drawdown, guys. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. Not gonna lie, I added 3 lots on after. Three double lots. I fucking got.
Yeah, I added as well when the when the 5 was moving.
Yeah.
I just did 5%. What the fuck?
Yeah, I got a big trade there. Nice job. Took a beautiful goldie trade over here, 30 pips taken. Very nice. Got a little runner going because we could potentially blast off over here. So yeah, we'll see how the runner goes. Very, very nice. Dubs in the chat always. Very, very good. Max had a double lot on it. Well, once we pushed back above it on this, I was looking at the 1 minute and I took a buy there as well. Yeah, very nice. Great job. Well done, everyone. I closed full. Yeah, I mean, you know, I think we could maybe get a bit more out of it. 2003 could be the next TP. And then maybe even higher up. So I'm going to hold a little bit long on over here. Close 80% though. Beautiful job. Well done. Well done. But do you see, like, I wasn't getting stressed out when we're in drawdown. It was just holding this resistance. It was never closing below that level. And any time it would pop from hovering there on the 3 minute, and then, you know, I could execute. My TP got slipped. Beautiful. Yeah, man, that was some fun shit. Well done. Done for the day. Well, there you go, man. You get your trades. It's one that we've been eyeing up. Great job. Make sure you like the stream, guys. If you did come this morning, it takes seconds out of your day. Done for the morning. See you. Yeah, this month it was you. That shit. Yeah. To be fair, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Today and yesterday could have saved your month pretty well, right? You could have taken that trade. Yesterday, the gold sells there. If we just got in straight away, I should have just taken that fucking trade with no top wick. And then obviously the celery later on, you could have made easily 4% yesterday. And obviously we took the GJ as well. So there was in the past 2 days there's been 1, 2, 3, 4 trade ideas, and they've all worked out and they've all ran pretty nice. So you know what I mean? You could have the shittest month, most boring month, and then in 2 days you could make like 6, 7%, and then there you go, you're back up. Caught 20 pips while at work, nice. I'm in that before NY. Laters, guys. See you later, alias. Yes. 100 likes or runners go to break even. Very nice, very nice. Guys, doesn't matter that we won. We need to find out why did this move happen. Well, you shouldn't be entering if you don't know why it happened. You should definitely not have taken that trade if you didn't know that that was probably going to happen. Why? Well, because I analyzed this morning, if you're here on stream, about every single time we come above this area here, we push pretty quickly. If you look here, here, here. If you go back to the recap at the start of this session, we push very, very quickly. So I knew there's a good probability if we get a closure above here and a 5-minute trend line we actually had as well, that we're going to drive to this next level, and that's exactly what we've done. What? I'll clean it. Close full 5 funded, nice. Look at that 5-minute candle. Yeah, it just ripped, bro. It just ripped. But to be expected, right? The zone's so clean. Wait, Kiko, did you get back in? Because I know you said you managed. I think you're the one that said you added some more on. Wait, but did you have one on though, Jackie? Did you have one on? Have you made some money from it? So yeah. Let's take a look then at GJ. So GJ did kind of close below on the 15 here. Obviously, I really want to just wait for 30-minute closures, but mainly the zone below. Is this okay? It's quite a small zone. Yeah, it's only like 20 pips. Only like 20 pepperoonies. Hey boss, first day here. How can you learn your markups? The mentorship. The mentorship is the full place where you get access to all my webinars, all my educational content. You get access to the signals. So for example, look, I posted that one today. Yeah. You get homework, you get the chat as well. You can speak to people. Like for example, this morning, everyone in the chat put in some trade ideas, so we'll take a look at them as well, because I'm doing a giveaway for people in the mentorship, giving away £200 to 2 people, well £100 each for 2 people, with chart analysis. So you can see here, look at that, first thing in the morning. Look, actually, oh my god, there's so many. If you look like right at the start here, this was Martin Pips. He was looking for buys with 1996.35. That's exactly what we were looking for, and that's exactly what we took. So the reason why I've got people to do this more is because if you're marking up your zones in the morning and sending them to me, and then them actually playing out, you've done that. You've actually done that work. You've marked out your zones. You know where you want to take trades. You've taken them trades. You've analyzed it. You've marked up your zones. You're ready for the closure, and it's done it. So the good thing about it is you can get that confidence up. Okay, because it's all well, like, you know, being on stream with me, Don and Wix and everyone else, and just following what they're doing. But if you don't actually know, if you can't do it yourselves without not being there, then, you know, it's a little bit harder. That's the only issue. In terms of here as well, yeah, so look at that, beautiful stuff. So someone's looking at maybe buys with a little bit higher above. That's fair. That's fair. I still think that zone there was decent with that wick fill. It sells below 1989. Yeah, we've been discussing that. Beautiful, beautiful stuff, Lucian. You didn't fancy them buys. You fancy the buys above 2013. Yeah, we discussed them. Buys of 2013 would be nice. Yeah, looking like everyone here was looking for some good ass trades this morning. Great success. Very nice. Great job. Oh, nice, Deanie boy. Look at that. I got one more percentage running. Nice. Yeah, I'm hoping that this just pops back up. Look at the 1 minute. Should just drive again. And then, you know, target. The thing is, though, the more it pushes up, the lower you're getting in terms of the day. Like, if this pushes up further, you can, you know, price can push for the next couple of days higher up, and you've got, like, one of the lowest points, which is nice. So you've got to kind of weigh it up. Already up 11% this month. Very nice. So let's just write this one on here. We took it out at, like, 7:45? No. 7:15. Doo-doo. 30 pip stop, 30 pip gain. Oh, so I got in there, closed at 32 pips. Very nice. Haven't closed full yet. So we'll see. GJ sell. So everyone's looking at. Someone said fake out. Nah, it's not fake out. I'm gonna wait for this 30 to close. It's got 3 minutes left. Do you have a copy of the spreadsheet? Yeah, I'll send you this one. Just delete the little things. So that was quite good, that trade, because it was with the trend line that we should talk about. It was also with a 15 closure, but it was also with a 30-minute closure. So everything was kind of coinciding, which is great. The last week showed if you are for trading, if you stick to risk management and patience, such moves will come and be taken. Exactly, you know. You could waste your time losing loads of money with bad trades in the past couple of days or weeks, and then, you know, 2 days come and the 2 days have been great. So it can just change very quickly, and that's why I always say don't get upset about a losing time or a boring break-even time. Look, I had 10 break-evens, but now, you know, let's just say that this hits break-even and I make like 28 or something. You know, now we're starting to get back into things, you know. Bye, love you, honey. Have a great day. Hourly bottom wick take the runner out. So yeah, I mean that's what you could potentially do here. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I think when this starts pushing, I think we're going to be good again. Next TP was going to be, yeah, probably 2002.9. Or even higher. You could maybe wait for 2007 if you fancy. Check my question, bro, for the 1 minute trade. I don't take 1 minute, I take 5 minute trades every so often. 66 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream up. If you guys enjoyed today, if you guys took some money, make sure to like the stream. It takes 10 seconds to do so. And now we're on a little bit of a 3 minute 3 winning streak. Could have been about 5 if we took the 2 trades yesterday, but anyway. Good stuff. On the 1 minute, the creatures would drain the account so fast. Yeah. Well, that depends how much it pushed. Get the likes up, boys. Yeah. Also, I made today post a simulation session for YouTube. You guys can look at a gold simulation session. That would be fun. We'll do that. We will do that. So the 30-minute candle closed. What I'll potentially do here is if this pushes back up, then I'll move my stop loss to that low. Hopefully it's going to be a celery. That's how I'd kind of manage it. Max your times where there's been max trade limits? No. So. What, where I've like done the maximum amount of trades in a day and I've called it? Well, sometimes I'm normally like 3 is the maximum, but if there's still things when there's 4, then I wouldn't mind that either, to be fair. Let's take a look at EJ. Yeah, EJ's doing nothing. Bitch can tell me nothing. Interested in the mentorship, boss? Wicked stuff. Yeah, just message me on Instagram or whatever. Yeah, make sure to go follow the Instagram as well. Post like with my trades and all that kind of stuff. I've been a bit slacking this week. So I've been busy, but where is it? Where the fuck is my Instagram? Oh, there. The hell is it? What if I just type it in? There's the Instagram as well. So yeah, just post daily content, like the trades. Like I took this trade yesterday. Some interesting things, yeah. That dude. But this is the only one. All the other ones are fake ones, so be careful. Don't get scammed, please. Use your common sense. Use your common sense, okay? So yeah, I mean, GJ, the 30-minute close, the 50 close bullish. I just don't think the zone is the nicest zone, to be honest with you. I got loads of 10 fake account followers a week on average trying to scam me, yeah. Well, they always scam going like, oh, send me your crypto. It's like, well, I do offer crypto for mentorship, but I don't. And the way their language is, you need to remember, like, I'm from England. I don't go like, hello, sir. Like, what the fuck? Like, I've seen some of the guys messaging, like, hello, sir. Do you want to double your money in a week? It's like, oh my god. I seriously don't know how anyone falls for it. I know, me too. Yeah, shit, I was gonna do that, wasn't I? It's because I needed to show them my ID. Let me do that today. Yeah, I get that blue shit. When they text me, have fun with them. Well, there was a fake like Wix9 who messaged me, and I thought it was actually him. And I was like, "Oh, how you doing, bud?" And then he's like being really weird. I was like, "Why is Wix so fucking weird?" Like, and then it turned out, yeah, it was a fucking scammer. GJ sell, I don't like it. I don't like the sells. I think the sells are going to be long time. I think the buys are the only thing that I'm going to be looking at today. I think the buys above 167.929 would be great. Time to smoke a big fat Jamaican joint. It is 4:20. Damn. Gonna blast off as hard as gold today. Oh my god. So yeah, we are doing simulations today, guys, as well. Yeah, we're doing a sim. Just goalies came back now to these wick areas. Hopefully it bounces off it, because we bounced off it on the other way. So hopefully we can bounce off it here. A 420 sim. We could do a 420 sim if you wanted to. And today we're doing GJ, so we have to do more of the Asian buys that we're back testing over here. See if we can get any more. Also M's and W's, resistances and supports. So let's play a little game of Wordle while we wait. Looking like this gold's probably not going to do it now. It's relaxing too much. It's got to react off that level pretty hard. Do a little bit of Wordle, because right now I can't really see anything. The JPY pairs are looking meh. I think in terms of GJ, we're still very bullish, and this zone below on the 30, I was playing it yesterday and it was a bit choppy. You see it's tapped back at that 15-minute res like we did yesterday. So I'm just not too happy with that. I think the buys above there is just going to be the easiest trade for me to take today. EJ, haven't really even looked at EJ today, but it's still ranging. Is it above the daily highs yet though? Oh, the daily closed bullish above, which is good. That's not bad. Daily closed below on the 30. Yeah, I know, but the zone it was in, I just don't think it's the cleanest zone. 15's already made support at that resistance as well. So, yeah. Got a 50-minute celery? Yeah. I don't know, I just don't think it's the easiest zone. Doom, doom. So at any point here, this could still reflip and push. You've just got to hope that you're still in it. I'm in it with the skin of my teeth, but not very far left. The one trip you get in doesn't bloody run. Goldie. I think it's a good option though for this to run, really, especially with how the zone above is pretty good. I put it in timeout. Calm effects. How much did you take out of that move, my man? Get a nice little position. Open 2 long positions, one with profit at 2012 and one as a runner. Nice. Find the Wordle in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh, that's a good start. Plate. I literally found it in 30 seconds, bro. Easy, easy, easy. That was some good shit. What's our break-even price? Literally below that wick, like 5.2. 1997, 5.8. Yeah. Flip that candle, boy. Flip it. Have you ever played Gartic Phone to Viewers or so? Mad Funny. Is it Gartic Phone? I'm worried what you guys are saying. Gartic Phone. What is that? Oh. Oh, I think I've seen this, yeah. I used to play with others. That's sick. I like that. We'll do some game things. We'll do some game nights. Well, I still said we still want to do a poker night. We need to do a poker night. So yeah, I mean, while I'm waiting here now for anything else, because the JP5 pairs do nothing, gold's just retracing. Yeah, we'll play a little game of chess over here, and then we might be done for the morning, right? Took my trade that I wanted to in the morning, and what you normally do is, and this is the beautiful thing of trading, is once you start knowing, you know, what trades you want to take and all that kind of stuff, when it actually happens and plays out, you don't need to stay in the charts for any longer unless you can see there's a move. And what I mean by that is, you normally hear as well, Dawn goes, right, I need to wait for another 30-minute closure, I need to wait until 9:30 or 9:30, this is going to happen. So you can start to picture what things you want to happen. And then if you can't picture anything, for example, right now, what do I actually want to take right now? Buy on GJ over here, EJ nothing really, and gold nothing either, because I've already taken that move there, and you know that's a runner's job up here. So there's nothing that I can take. So when you obviously know how to trade and everything's going well and you're profitable, then you just dip, right? You could dip, do stuff with your day now, come back NY session, and then you know you're good. And that is the beauty of it. You can really manage your time. This guy's 625 ranked. Holy shit! We need to be careful over here. 625. God, Lord have mercy. I'm still in this trade, which is good. I raised you 5 lots. I raise you 10 GJ lots. Yeah. Yes, flip. I bet you some people got stopped out of here. It's like, fuck's sake. Why do you have to come so close to everyone stops? Just do it there. You tard. What do you want me to do? Go there? Move your stop loss higher, Max? Nah, I'm gonna let it play out, I think. Max Onion, nah, it's already hit the res, hasn't it? It's already hit it. Yeah. You're a genius. I'm taking that onion. I wouldn't if I were you. It's not an onion really. It's already hit the resistance. Okay, that's a good question. That's a good question. So, someone said, Max, when you say GJ sells aren't good because we're bullish, would you say gold buys you took were risky too because you were still in a downtrend? Well, we weren't really in a downtrend per se, because we made a low, we then made a high, we then made a lower high, sorry, a higher low, and then we were making a higher high because we were breaking here. So we were changing from bearish to bullish structure. If you look at GJ right now, also if you look at the daily time frame, we're not in an area where we're so bearish, right? Yeah, we've had a couple bearish candles, but we're on a big support. Overall, we're still very, very bullish. If you look at GJ here and you look at the higher time frames, there is nothing to tell me that there's any sort of sells at all. Okay, we're very, very bullish. And it's not like the zone's very clean. That's the thing, right? It's not like the zone's very clean. Here, there's a little bit of traffic there, which I had a bit of a trouble with yesterday. So you can see, you can just draw it like this. And then, if you look below, there's a support there. There's wicks in this area. That's choppy, choppy, choppy. This zone above, from there to there, is only at 12 pips, and it's got rejection wicks, so it's choppy there. So it's just not a clean zone. With also, so you know, I need a clean zone anyway, but you know, more so if it's counter trend. Oh shit! Should I just get rid of him? Yeah. So yeah, I'm out of the trade now. And Goldie. So we'll calculate it. He's just losing his horses, man. Let's get the horse out of play, yeah. 2000 level is strong. Yeah, it's a big psychological level, eh? Gold potential fake out. Yeah, you could potentially. The zone's not the nicest though, but yeah, you could. That could be an option if you get that closure. Why would I go there? I'm in short in gold. Very nice. It is at that retest though. It's not, you know, it's not like it's in a zone. If you look at it in terms of zones, this is zone 1, this is zone 0, this is zone 2. You're retesting zone 1 resistance. This could easily still, you know, it's gonna find its new range like here. So I would be a little bit careful now. Those are normally the trades that just don't sit well. What can I do here? Yeah, I was thinking maybe there, to be honest. Oh, and I can just check him. Nice. And I can also just kill that. So I have to close it? No, but you need to know why you're in that trade. It could be a different strategy. You could be in it, but like from what I could see, it's just retesting this level. Yeah, it could fake out, but it hasn't done it yet, and this could at any point this can reflip and push to fill that zone again. Because why? Nothing's closed in that direction. Oh shit. That was an error. For fuck's sake. Really fucked up there, didn't I? No good. Nah, you can just kill me though. Yeah, but he can kill me there. Yeah. Oh shit! Oh man, I've just boo-booed like 3. Oh no, I was in a good stage before. Fuck's sake. God dang it. WD got the extension of my challenge first day ever. Challenge has been in profits after 30 days. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you've been relaxing this morning. What are you guys doing today as well to better yourself? I'm going to go to the gym, I think. Smoke a lot. Nice. Smoke a lot and make some nice food. Good idea. Good idea. So you can see at any moment this can reflip, and there you go. It's gonna work. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. You know. Go there. Oh no, I cannot. What, there? Really? There? Yeah. Where should I go now? Fuck. I really need this thing to fuck off, don't I? Fuck. No! I did some bad mistakes there, I'm not gonna lie. I did some badass mistakes. Okay, looking like GJ's bringing some volume over here. Pushed down pretty radically. God dang, look at gold. Gold reflipped. So see what I mean? At any point, especially in terms of retesting a zone. Yeah. Great job. Shame that we couldn't stay in, but anyway. That is fine. Tagged out by 2 pips and away she goes, yeah. Why might paper trade work? Let's take a look. It did work. I don't know. I think it's good. You know, I mean, the thing may still close below. It's just for me. I don't know. I don't really like this 15, but it worked out nicely. Well done. Well done. Celery you could have taken. Stop me out on reverse. Yeah. But the thing is, though, you gotta remember, like, why? Like, why did it stop you out there? Well, because your entry was like around this area, which is the retest. So it's pretty obvious that it's gonna stop out there. And if it doesn't drive, I'd expect this to drive straight away. No, I don't know. I just think the zone was maybe a little bit on the choppier side. But it still works. Still a 30-minute closure below. Bro, I have a problem. When I want to close a trade, I always close it early. Well, let's just stop closing it early then. Put a TP on and leave it. Even EJ pushed you pretty hard. Very nice. I used to close early, but you gotta let the trade breathe and keep emotions controlled. Yeah, 100%. Just before you get in, just mark out the target that you want to take. Look at that. Beautiful re-push back up there. Good job. Good job. Just wait for closures, yeah. I just get another entry once the minute kind of flips. Look, yeah. If EJ was nice, yeah, it was alright. That 15-minute zone there wasn't the nicest. Gold hates my guts. But I think Don stops are so massive, no stops are too big for me now. Well, you just get used to them, eh? Just get used to them, boy. So 4 hour coming past that 4 hour support, all good. Waiting for weeks. Straight face trade still valid. Yes, sir. Yeah, I think a lot of people there were trying to maybe manage a little bit early, but they didn't want the drawdown. But obviously, you could just re-enter once it starts pushing again. But for me, I was only going to manage when the 30-minute closes back below, really, or if the 15 did strong. Yeah. 15 push strong, I wouldn't have done that shit. Oh yes. $83 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. But yeah, and also exactly like we always say, did I get emotional in that trade? Did I, get worried about it? No, it's fine. I was just playing the game. Got in the 30-minute flip. Ooh. Very nice. So you get back to that high. The only issue is, as I said, it's already came to res, so it would be a little bit harder, but not bad, not bad. Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. I'm a manager if it closes bearish in a 30. So how's everyone's weeks going so far? In terms of our week, I mean, let's do this calculator now. So I closed at like 32 times 0.8. 26. Yeah, it's a bit annoying that we got stopped out. It's like around about 1.21%, which is nice, near 4%. So overall this week so far, it's obviously we had a lot of break evens, but we've also had 4 wins, 2 losses. Not bad. Not a bid. What do you think about this 4-hour a steeper top wick for the dailies to drive down to fill the daily wick? What's this on? Daily wick? I think maybe Goldie here. Yeah, I think that could be good. Yeah. It's got a nice wick fill anyway in there. 1969 could be a great option. I wonder why Bitcoin just had a bit of a retracement yesterday. Look at that. Daily time frame was not having it. So yeah, I'll post that simulation session soon. I'm going to start posting more on YouTube now, getting back into it. I just kind of lost the motivation to do it, just because it was a bit boring. But I think I'll start to post again. Yeah, I'll post another simulation session because they're really good to go through. They help out identifying like what we're looking for, why we're looking for it. So yeah. Start posting on there a little bit more, I think. Let's have a little bit of change in music as well. I'm gonna put a little bit of Kendrick on. But yeah, how is everyone's week going so far? How are they doing? As I said yesterday, I think the price action was getting better, and obviously today it showed. You know, it was good. It was good price action, which is nice. I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Yeah, I think overall pretty good. My week second words break even. Only traded on Tuesday and 3% of the week. Very nice. Well done. Let's vibe on this 420 day. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Max has been struggling a lot this month. I can't get out of the break-even stage. My account has just been floating between -1 and -2% this whole month. Any advice? Just, you know, I would say roll back in terms of like taking trades. You know, just watch the trades a little bit more now, because sometimes the best thing you can do is just backing off and watch. But if you're around -1, -2%, just look at your losing trades. What's going wrong? See you later, Scarlet. Week is good month. It's still slow. It's catching up now. Yeah, this week is good. Good. Yesterday was nice, man. Yeah, yesterday's Goldie Celery there was the one I wanted there. Ooh. Straight to 1969. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I will share it, but today I'm yelling. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 I'm trying to keep it alive and not compromise the feeling we love. You're trying to keep it deprived and only co-sign what radio does. And I'm looking right past you. We live in a world, take it easy, don't get to you. Yeah, exactly. I mean, being down 1% or 2% for the month is not a bad thing, right? That's not a bad thing. You just got to really look at your losing trades, look at your winners. In terms of this month, I put in place what I wanted to do from last month, which is hold my trades on longer for the clean zones. And you can see that it hasn't worked out too well because there's just been so many break-evens. But I know that, you know, in 1 month where it runs nicely, I would have made much more. So I'm kind of happy with that. I'm not really too asked about the break-evens in this month. What do you think about the 30-minute celery on gold? For a buy? And no, because it's not breaking out of a zone. The webinar this week is going to be about celeries because I'm going to break it down a bit more. I think people kind of struggle to identify what a celery is. Do you mean on the 15-minute celery there? I think I mean 15-minute celery there. Yeah, it's still above that zone. It's still not breaking anything. This week far better than last year, yeah, 100%. See, but it just switches like that. In one moment, it can be great price action. So you gotta remember that. Starting to get up now, like, yeah, 4%, not bad. I mean, it could be worse, but it's in terms of spreads as well, you're still gonna be low, but because you're taking a lot of trades. But we're on the cusp now. Now it's the 20th. We've got 10 days left or so. Yeah, we got 9. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still 7 trading days left, so still a lot of time. Depends. If they're break evens, then they don't take any. But if it's profit, then they take a little bit off every time. They have 2% gain. Yeah, probably 2% in all them is probably right. But then if you obviously on payback effects as well, you get it back. So it's actually less than I think. I've been the easiest of months to trade. Oddly, stick to the process, be patient, and never force trades. 100%. Does payback effects work for you? Yeah. Sure does. Yeah, and only like what's payback effects? So if you're on IC markets, you can use payback effects, and it gives you 37% of your money back. 37% of your commissions. If you guys do want to join IC markets, make sure to use my link if you guys haven't already. I know a lot of people have, but there's the link. IC markets, best broker going. Good spreads too. Look at that. Look at those spreads today. 1 pip on gold, 0.6 pips on GJ. But I'm with the homies right now. One day's gonna burn you out. If you're not from the USA, yeah, you can use it. Max, what's your favorite setup? Oh, I do like a fake out, and I also like closure below sells, clean zones is probably my favorite. Yeah, as well as the fake out. Cries in American, oh no. I'm with the homies right now. Got the GJ cells. Janky stash box when the federal rallies roll up. Basketball shorts with the Gonzalez Park odor. We on the mission for bad bitches in trouble. I hope the universe love you today. Cause the energy we bring is sure to carry away a flock. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad, eh? Yeah, you just dependent profit. It takes like a month to get through, but it's, yeah, it's good shit. Like George Foreman grilling the masses of the working world. We poured up on a bunch of working girls and asked them what they working with. Look at me, I got the blunt in my mouth. Usually I'm drug free, but shit, I'm with the homies. Gold is coming back into the range. It is actually. Yeah, 4-hour rejected now. Like an M formation on the 5 as well. It's 2:30 and the sun is beaming. Air conditioner broken, I hear my stomach screaming. Hungry for anything unhealthy, and if nutrition can help me, I'll tell you to suck my dick, then I'll continue eating. We're speeding on the 405 passing Westchester. You know the light-skinned girls and all the little dresses, good lord. They knew we weren't from around there, cause every time we down there, we pulling out the
boost mobile SIM cards. Bougie bitches with no extensions. Hood niggas with bad intentions. The perfect combination.
Nearly at 100 likes already. Thank you, Chandan, for subscribing. You know, like yesterday I was on the charts for 8 hours, didn't catch one trade, so I became very impatient because this month has been so stale. Yeah, you just gotta stick with it, man. You just gotta stick with it. Max, have you ever met Raj in real life now? You're still looking for trades? Potentially in 4 minutes this may close below. Depending on how much you push. Asian fake out on gold, yeah.
Bragging about the episode we just had. A shot of Hennessy didn't make me feel that bad. I'm usually a true firm believer of bad karma. Consequences from evil will make you pass on ya. We trying to conquer the city with disobedience. Quick to turn it up even if we ain't got the CD in. But Jeezy still playing and our attitude is still nigga, what is you saying? Pull in front of the house that we've been camping out for like 2 months. The sun is going down as we take whatever we want.
Hey, nigga, back out, nigga, pop safe. Hey, nigga, I think somebody in this room. Wait, what? Nigga, somebody in this room.
I hit the back window in search of any Nintendo DVDs, plasma screen TVs in the trunk. We made a right, they made a left, they made a right, they made a left. We was just circling life. My mama called.
Hello? What you doing?
Kicking it. I should have told her I'm probably about to catch my first offense with the homies. But they made a right, they made a left, they made a right, then another right. One lucky night with the homies.
So yeah, we'll see 3 minutes left for this closure.
I think he hit the wrong blunt though. Ooh, which one are you talking about? Which one are you talking about?
I'm hoping the new 50-minute candle could stop making flips for entries. Yeah, potentially, I think. 2 minutes left. If this candle doesn't close below, then might leave it. Look at this daily though. Daily support is pretty hard there. That's the only cause of concern. Massive daily support in 1994. Why? Yeah, you've got a 1-to-1 for that as well. Not bad, not bad. Look at that, already retracing a little bit. It's been a little bit spontaneous in terms of that. Obviously the 5-minute retest would be interesting to see how it reacts there. The M formation. Minute left. Tommy boy, do you try and get the M yet? It hasn't retested, but do you just jump in? This is a new album from Kendrick. No, this is not Kendrick. This is Shy FX. Nice.
Me a the shatter, me better than the whole of them, so talk to me proper. Boy, hear me tune them up, run, come follow. Lock off them, so them get a big balala. Boy, try a thing, bumbo, wall of it scatter.
Why did it sound like Kendrick? Oh, the first one was, but not this one. That was Kendrick's OG songs. I am a murderer. And some 420 music. Let's play a bit of 420 music. Why not? It is 420, so let's play this one. This is a good 420 one. I love this one. Then we'll play a bit of Bob Marley to finish off. Closed on support. Yeah, the new Drake AI song is sick, bro. Mate, that's so sick that you can like do that. I wonder what the legal stuff is gonna be for that. Yeah, let's show people. So people who don't know already, let's see if we can find it. Obviously, AI now is so good that you can use like people's voices. So like people use Drake's voice. This is the AI song. Oh, I think Fantano reviewed it. That's sick. Let's take a look.
I came in with my ex like Selena, the flex. Bumping Justin Bieber, the fever ain't left. She know what she need, or she blessed. Giving you my best. Yeah, I got my heart on my sleeve with a knife in my back. What's with that? 21, I love him, then my brother, that's my stat. Metro made the beat, so you know that it's gon' slap.
That was sick. Metro made the beat, so you know it's gonna slap.
Talking to a diva, yeah, she on my nerves. She think that I need her.
Oh my God, how did you do the pitch like that? How did you change the pitch? Like, keep it still sounding decent. That's mad.
All I know is you couldn't have the world. Had the world, yeah, you were my world.
Got these girls on my neck, got these girls on my check. Like Selena, baby, on my Gina, baby, yeah. She taking a Lambo for a drive, it's in my fancy door. And she way out the store. I got my heart on my sleeve with the city on my back, ain't no back. Say she from Toronto, but can't find it on the map. That's on me, I put it in the past.
Yeah.
Talking to a diva, yeah, she on my nerves. She think that I need her, kick her to the curb. All I know is you couldn't have the world. Had the world, yeah, you were my. I came in with my ex like Selena, the flex. Bumping Justin Bieber, the fever.
So what is he actually gonna do? Is he actually spoke about it yet? Because couldn't he just go and make it now?
She know what she need, or she blessed. Giving you my best. Yeah, I got my heart on my sleeve with a knife in my back. What's with that? 21, I love him, then my brother, that's my stat.
That's sick. The way it goes. The iRobot movie, yeah, maybe. Weigh my pride. So yeah, I mean, what are you gonna have to wait for now later on? Potentially buys above 2001, because if we close above 2001, we push up to 2005 pretty easily. Obviously buys with 2030 we discussed before. This is very clean to mirror to 2022. Huge 70 pip zone there. Ooh, we can make it. Did GJ and I go out by singing it? Wait, let's read this. Wait, so you didn't take the buys in the morning. Wait, you didn't take the gold buy that I did because there was no bottom wick. Oh, on the 30-minute. That's fair though. That's because you weren't comfortable with it. That's totally fine. That's being your own person. That's doing the trades that you want to take. If you don't want to take a trade that I have set up, then that's fine. I like that. It means you have your own you have your own brain, right? That's fine. And yeah, it worked out, and yeah, it's annoying, but you stayed with your plan. You didn't want it. You know, it didn't have a little wick on the hourly, so that's fine. Never ever get upset about that. You know, that's your own. That means you're trading for you. You're not trading. Oh, it's copy max. You're trading what you want to trade. You marked out the zones because I saw yours before, and it was right. Just you needed something a little bit more for confidence than me. That's fine. Then you take GJ and I go to the supermarket to buy something and I miss taking profit. I take profit at 0.6 RR, and if I was home, I would have got 1%. Yeah, I mean, that's just you can't leave the charts and go shopping if you're in a trade. You know, unless you're at break even. That's just what it has to be, because it's just like anything. Like, if you're risking your money on something, you need to be paying attentive. For example, when I go for a piss when I'm in the trade, I'm still looking at it on my phone just to make sure that everything's hunky dory. But if you were at break even, then you know it's fine. That's fine. Doesn't matter. You could just set a partial TP. Maybe do that a bit more. Set a partial TP at where you want it to close. But yeah, your first one, don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. You analysed that you wanted buys above there. You just didn't like how the hourly had no lower wick, which is fair. It's completely fair enough. So don't get worked up about that. That's your own discipline to stay out of a trade. I know that, but it was a bit upset and I let it alone. Yeah, of course it's a bit annoying when we take a trade and you didn't, but and it won. But it's fugazi, right? It's nothing. For example, there might be a trade that you don't like that I take in 3 days' time, and I take a losing trade and you don't, and then you feel great that you didn't take it. So it doesn't matter. It's just you need to really be completely sound with what you're happy with taking and what you're not happy with taking. And you did that today. You didn't take those trades. You didn't take that trade because it had no lower wick on the hourly. That's completely fine. That's a valid thing. So don't get worked up. Don't get worked up about it. The good thing was is that you had discipline to not take it. Yeah, I made some money on it, and you missed it out. But that doesn't matter. That's not in your strategy. That's not in your comfort level. So, for example, you need to remember what's the other way around. Imagine if I lost that trade, you'd be pretty happy with yourself, wouldn't you? You'd go, you know what, I didn't do it because of that. So, and you need to remember this is one trade out of millions. Don't get worked up on one little trade outcome. Okay? It's fine. Move on to the next one. It's done now. At this moment right now, you're missing 500 trades, so don't bother about it. Exactly. At any point in the day, there's trades to be taken. Everyone's taking trades, different strategies and stuff. So you're going to miss some, and you're going to take some that you're not happy with. That's fine. So don't worry about it at all. It's not like you didn't take the trade because you just didn't want to get in because you're worried. You're worried about nothing. Like, you were just worried to get in. You had no confidence. You did it specifically because you didn't like something. That's completely reasonable. That is, hands down, a good thing to have. And that's what I would do back in the day. If Raja was taking a buy at a very higher time frame high, I wouldn't take it because I know that that's normally the ones that he loses. And that's just making my own comfort level. So, it's just making your own strategy. I feel people forget, like, copying someone. Yeah, it's good to copy someone, but make it to you. Make it down to you. For example, people get vexed about Don having a massive stop loss. Well, stop having a massive stop loss then, if you don't like his. Do something else. Stop getting worked up on people, how they trade, and either follow them and learn something from them, or tweak it to the way you like it. That's all you've got to do. So yeah, for me right now, good stuff. GJ did continue down. Well done, Yuki, for going for that trade in terms of paper trading. It did work out. It was decent in terms of the clean candles on the 30. I just didn't really like the 15. The 15 kind of put me off with these wicks and a little res there after the move yesterday. But if that was any other day and this wasn't really there, then beautiful, right? 30-minute closure below Asian lows, below support, clean candle. Yeah, it's fine. Beautiful. GJ Celery. So GJ Celery, the issue you have with the celery is what? Someone tell me in the mentorship why the celery here is not good. Why is that celery there not good? Why would taking that celery there be probably not the best idea? Let's take a look. Small zone. Too close to support, too close to support. Small zone, too close to support. See? So what we mean by this in terms of group is you need to make sure that the range is big enough, right? So if you took a sell on the break of that low, stop loss above the current candle for a celery play, you've got to go, right, where could price continue to before having trouble? Well, there, right? Because that's where we rejected before. That's the next support. That's only 6 pips away. Your stop loss is 14. So you wouldn't even make much from it anyway, even if it did work out. And the drawdown and the loss could be much more than your winner. Okay? So it wouldn't be worth it. Okay? So always make sure that the zone you're going into to fill or to continue to is big enough. Because if it's not big enough, it makes the R to R wrong. And even if you get a good trade from it, if you take the losing trade there, you know, it's not making your R to R overall going to be good at all. It's also in the middle of the range as well. Yeah, it's also in the middle of the range, yeah. Whereas this celery there would have been more reasonable because why? Well, your stop loss is 7 pips. The zone clean candles is 12 there, and then obviously to fill the whole zone is 22. Much bigger zone. Is your Asian indicator correct in regards of time? I don't actually know when we actually shut off, but I quite like it here. 5:45, 6 o'clock is when we start to get some sort of volume, especially on GJ. That's why I like it like that. Yeah, I have it on it. It finishes at 5:45 a.m. UK time. So yeah, guys, I'm going to leave it off over here now. Great job this morning. Great push. Amazing stuff. 30 pips caught. If you guys did like the stream, make sure you like and subscribe. All that good stuff. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, peace out, guys. Thank you so much. See you later, mentorship. See you later on. Adios, adios, adios. Peace out, peace out. Peace out. Peace out. See you later, guys. Adios. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Hope you have a great day. Happy zooting today. Adios.